So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel MD Learnings. As previously I have showed you how to use Google Docs in my last video, and I have showed you one more what is Google Form, how to use it, and in that Google Form videos I have showed you how to export the Google Sheet. So today I'm going to show you how to use Google Sheet, and if you have not seen my Google Form video, you can just click on the I button and you can see it. Okay, so let's start. So as I will show you, first you can see on the screen here I have opened the Google Chrome, and in this I will go to Google Apps. I have already logged in my Gmail Google account, and I will go to Google Apps. Below, if you can see here, Google Sheet is there. So just click on Google Sheet. Yeah. So Google Sheet, as you can see the screen here, predefined so many templates are there, and if you want to open a blank one, you can open a blank also. And this is pretty much similar to not pretty much similar, it is similar to MS Excel. And here this is the same like Google Docs. There is an online platform which you can use to share with your friends, and you can do the live, you can your worksheet will be live and you can work together. So as you can see here, so many options are there. So in here you can see, you can give the name, any name to your spreadsheet, like whatever name you want. So like this you can give any name, and here you can see so many options are there, like file option. So you can open a spreadsheet, you can open a existing workbook what you have created in your offline MS Excel software. That also you can open here, you can import, you can make a copy, and you can share also with your other friends, colleagues. And if you want to email, so same like Google Docs, you can directly send this file, this spreadsheet in the email to anyone. Not like you have to download and you have to attach in the mail, and then you have to send. So that also you can do. And after creating your Google Sheet, you can directly download it in the Microsoft Excel format or PDF format or open document format. So other formats are also there. In this, rename option is there, move. Okay, and if you want to add a shortcut, this file you need to, if you want to give a shortcut and you need to save it in your drive, Google Drive, and here you can add a shortcut, you can delete it. If you go to the next option, that is edit. So in this, same like MS Excel, you can see undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, paste special, like with the values only if you want to paste the values, or you want to paste the format or formula. So you can do these things using this paste special option. In the view, you can see same like formula bar, grid, formulas. So many other options are there. Freeze option, if you want to freeze your rows, you can do it. If you want to zoom, you can zoom it from here. And if you want to insert the cell, like if you want to insert a cell, so you can insert. If you want to insert a row, if you want to insert a column, so insert a sheet. So these things you can do here. If you want to insert any image, so that also is possible. Pivot table is possible. Okay, so many different functions are there, like sum, average, what we're using in Excel. So sum, count, max, min, decount, what I have showed you. If you have not seen, you can click on the I button and you can see the decount video. And filter option, sorting are there, and so many other options are there. If you will try, you will get to know how we are going to use this. So I will give you overview, how to use this. Okay, what are the options present and how we are using this, I will give you overview. So see, different formats are there, like number formats, percentage, scientific calculation, accounting, financial. So these options are there, and apart from this, like different data tool, filter creation, And if you want to use slicer, what slicer which we are using in pivot table, that slicer you can use it. If you want to protect the sheet and change some of, so that other person cannot do the changes, so you can protect it and no one will be able to edit it or do any changes in that sheet apart from you. Okay, so many tools are there. Okay, if you want to create a Google form using your Excel sheet, this spreadsheet, that also you can do here. And extension, so extension is like if you will go to extension, so many add-on like software, calculation software, or classroom softwares are there, so that also you can add on and you can use it uh, in your, yes, using this spreadsheet. So here you can see the print option is there, and similar to MS Excel, bold, italics, and text color, fill color, border. And as you have seen here, you have one option is there, last edit was 4 minutes ago. Like if you will click on this, so here you can see last when it is edit has been done. And if you want to, if you have written anything, if the cell is filled with some of the documents or details, so you can, if by mistake if you have deleted and you have saved after the deletion, then you can just recover it. One option will appear here, key recover the previous part, so that you can do, which you are not going to get in Excel. If after deleting, if you have saved by mistake, so you are not going to recover it. So but here you can recover the previous deleted whatever by mistakenly you have deleted, that you can recover it. Here you can see chart option is there, and same like Google Docs, if you want to insert any link, so from here you can do it easily. In this you can see like calculation. Okay, so if you will give functions, so many other functions are there, average, count, max, min, sum. So these are the functions, and apart from that, see Arabic, address, add, database is there, d average, d count. So filter options like Google Translate, Google Finance. So see, in this one option I will show you how to use it, like Google Translate. Okay, so Google Translate is very interesting in this. Like if you have any data in any language and if you want to convert it, so just you have to do some entries in this some formula, and you can, Google will translate it immediately. So I will show you how. Like if I want to translate any data, like here if I will type on data, okay, so I will type how are you. Okay, no, sorry, not here, just remove this first. Okay, in a cell I will just write how are you. Okay, and I want to convert it in Hindi. So what I will do, I will just type Google Translate, sorry, Google Translate. Okay, same like Excel, we have to just select, and here you can see text option, what text you want to convert. So first you have to select this text, then give the comma. Now we have to give the source language, means what is the source language of this. So source language is English, so we have to see the ISO code of the English. What is the Google ISO code of English language? So it is EN, so we have to give it in double quote. Okay, EN, close the double quote, and now we have to give which is the target language you are going to translate. So just give Hindi. Hindi is HI. Okay, so just press enter, and you can see it is loading. So this is translated in Hindi. So this is very interesting in this. So this Google ISO code, like translate code, you can search in Google and you can go get it. Like I will show you how. In this, see, I have the list of languages and what are the ISO code of that language. Okay, like so many different languages are there: Bengali, Bhojpuri, and Catalan. So all the languages are there maximum. English, as I have showed you, English is EN, and French is FR. So you can just Google it and you can use it, and desired the sentence will be translated in the language in which you want. So this is very interesting. And apart from this, so many options are there, like right to left cell, and like here share option are there. If you want to share it with anyone, with your friends, colleague, and if you want them to do any changes, and it is a live worksheet, so you can share with your friends, colleague, teammates, anyone, and they will be having access of this Google spreadsheet. So this was how we have uh, used Google Sheet, how we are using. Okay, so many different options are there. You can use it, and you can create your own spreadsheet. If you don't have Excel also, you can create your document in Google spreadsheet. You can download it. You can share to your friends or colleagues, and they will be able to download it in Google like MS Excel directly. Okay, so this was how we have used Google spreadsheet. So friends, I hope you learn this how to use Google spreadsheet, and please do like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for further updates, and see you soon in my next video. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.